Explore Kapatisi TV. Ka undi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kaptu Jingmut ki Samla Khasi, Klapen Pau ke Jingmut bat Yoi ke Pynïar, Shaki Way pat kiri ke Perthai. Habik Yola bat mi khamat ya ke Jilla, bat ya kiri India ha ke Youth Exchange Program, Lapen Long, ya ke Sarkar ha kiri Indonesia. Kini ke Samla Klapen Pau ya ke ni ke Shimbenta Jong ki Spangut ki Samla ha ke State Level Chief Minister's Youth Exchange Program, Lapen Long, ya ke Tanat Sports and Youth Affairs, ke Sarkar Jilla, ha ke Artrik Nopra Arajar Apusan, ha Multipurpose Hall ke School Bat ni hu Shillong. Umin rang ba ke Jilla kontrak ki Sangma, bolong kumukongsan ha ke sengi ula batai ki Samla ya ke Meghalaya's Transformation Journey Vision 2032 bat ke Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission. Dak bakin turu iki Samla bakin care raimau riding nau drug. Umintri ke Tanat Sports and Youth Affairs ke Sarkar Jilla. Uba wailat miki shilla ublalong kumukongsan ha ke sengi. Ulong bakin huan ke job ya ke kedan ke beningkong kan siyo lar ban mi khmat ya ke Jilla ha ke national level bat ke huan ke baar kan siyo lar ban Shimbenta ha ke north east level bat pentip ru bakan sadan ke International Youth Exchange Program ban pha iki sama shabar keri India.
You are a winner. That's why you are here today. So let's give a big round of applause for all of you. Because you being present here today, that's mean you have won. You have won that's block level, the district level. And today you are at the state level. And I hope to see that many of you will go to the national and international level. So you are very, very fortunate, all of you. If you look back, 10, 15 years back, there was nothing for the youth. I still remember, while I was in JNV, I was a basketball player. I have represented Northeastern region twice at the national level in basketball. But after I complete my study from JNV, when I want to continue to pursue sports, but hardly there was any ground to practice. Hardly there is any opportunity for us. So that's why you are very fortunate. So I would like to request all of you who are present here today to please take this opportunity. Don't let it go to waste. Because it's not easy, I'll tell you, to have this program at this scale. And I'm so proud to announce from here that Meghalaya is the only state which have the youth engagement program till the block level. Otherwise, other states are having only from the district level. But Meghalaya is the only state in the country which have it from the block level. And we were discussing with our Honorable Chief Minister. And we are planning that not only the exchange program should go outside the country. We would like to see our youth to travel. Our youth from the Khasi region should go to Garo Hills and stay there and learn the culture there. And the youth from Garo Hills should come to Khasi and see how we are doing here. And there are a lot more which I don't want to dwell upon, which is already shared in front of you. But once again, I'd like to urge all of you, while you are here, and don't get me wrong, I'm not saying while you are here, you just be serious. No, there is a time for everything. There is a time for you to study. There is a time for you to play. But time management is very important. You should know how to manage your time. So that's why, once again, and don't be scared to try new things. We want our youth to come forward, to explore, and to try new thing. And we saw how passionate you are. Why I'm saying this? Because every time when we have any program, when we brought any proposal, sir never say no and always support us. So I'll request each and everyone present here today, let's give our Honorable Chief Minister a big round of applause.
Please remember that whatever we are doing today is for you. You are going to take over all of this work that we have started. And I hope that what I've shown you today will motivate you more to feel that Meghalaya is on the move. Meghalaya is moving forward. And what I showed you today is just a glimpse. I need at least 10 hours minimum to explain to you the entire growth story of what's happening, not just in Shillong or Tura, but what's happening in Nongstoing, what's happening in Nongpo, what's happening in Jowai, what's happening in the interior locations, what's happening to every farmer, to every self-help group, to every cooperative society, to every youth group. We have a story for each and every one of them. And there is so much that's happening that I don't have the time to explain all of it. But as I said, I took this opportunity to explain some of it so that you would at least get a glimpse of what we are doing as a state. And hopefully, we will see you become part of this growth story and this momentum that we have created. I once again would like to thank the sports department for all the hard work that you're doing. And to conclude, I would like to really urge the students out here. I really, as mentioned by Minister, would urge that you should take this opportunity that has been given to you and really make the best out of this. This is only the beginning. I have been told that once the state and the national level is done, we will be having the international level happening. And this year, I'm told that the team will be going to Philippines and Malaysia and Philippines. So there will be 24 of you being selected, and we'll be sending you to Malaysia and to Philippines. So I hope that you all are excited about that. At the same time, there will be about 100 plus, almost 200 who will be selected to go at the national level to 8 locations, including Delhi, Gandhinagar, and different locations in the country. I'm not aware about all the names, but all of this is happening. But in the meantime, as mentioned by Honorable Minister, I would also like to see exchange programs happening within the state, and would like to see that our youth from different regions spend time in the villages, understanding the cultures of different regions. We saw the Ruga dance out here. I don't think anyone, if you've ever seen the Ruga dance ever, though it's a part of the Garo tribe, but they're a sub-tribe and their dialect is completely different. Their dance is completely different. The ornaments and the dress they were wearing are completely different. And that's how diverse our state is and our community is. And yet, most of us do not know about this. In the last national Meghalaya Games, when we were in Jowai, some of the youth groups who had come from Garo Hills, they told me that they'd spoken to all their friends from Garo Hills, and 99% of them had never been to Jowai in their life. That means from Garo Hills, 99% of the youth had never been to Jowai. From southwest Khasi Hills, from Mokurwat, 80% of the youth had never been to Jowai in their life. And students and youth from Jowai, close to about 90% of them have never been to Tura in their life. So can you imagine that within our own state, our youngsters are not able to talk to each other, meet each other, and experience the different cultures that we have. And that's really what we are trying to do with this engagement program and exchange program. And I hope that we'll be able to create that momentum and give an opportunity to all of you to be able to meet with each other, understand each other, increase the overall unity and the understanding and the love between the different communities and the tribes, so that it will lead to our state becoming much more prosperous, much more unified, and much more stronger in the days to come.
The saving sound from Mau Ringkeneng. The saving sound, we have the Lamlinti Self-Help Group, Walakiat Maukenro. These are the beneficiaries of the Yes Meghalaya. May I invite all the beneficiaries to contribute meaningfully to society. Let's give a big round of applause to our government and wish the benefit.
My name is Sharing Litan and I'm from West Jaya district. I'm one of the international youth participants at Indonesia in this year itself, in the month of February. First of all, it was an amazing experience. We start since from the district level, then we reach the state level and national, then international. The state level, we met some friends and there's a tough competitions also is going on here, and it was quite an amazing time to meet all these people there. One act play and then a talent show. One act play and talent show. Lots of activities from folk dance to folk song, one act play, tug of war, science exhibition, painting, and then drawing, declamation. Yeah. My experience at the Indonesia is amazing. I'll say, and we learned a lot from their culture and tradition. The way the tourism over there, it was great. The parks and the way they promote the tourism of there in Bali at the same time, one of the best beach in the world. And then the experience, their culture and tradition, the food, and all. Yeah.